If you want to get more out of Google Calendar, one of the simplest things you can learn is how to switch between different calendar views. Whether you need to see your day, your week, your month, your month, or even a schedule style layout, changing the view helps you stay organized and work faster. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch to different Google Calendar views in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the current view name, such as week or month, right next to the settings gear. This is the main menu for changing how your calendar is displayed. Click that view name once and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, simply choose the view you want. If you need to see everything happening in one full day, select day. If you want a broader look at your week, choose week. If you're planning farther ahead, month is a great option because it gives you a clear overview of your schedule. You can also use year if you want to see your calendar across a much larger timeline. For a tighter planning view, select 4 days, which is useful when you want to focus on just a few days at a time. And if you prefer a list-style layout that shows events in chronological order, choose schedule. This is especially helpful when you want a clean, easy-to-scan agenda view. Now, here's a faster way to switch views if you like using keyboard shortcuts. Google Calendar supports several quick commands that can save you time. Press D for day view, W for week view, M for month view, Y for year view, X for 4 days, and A or S for schedule view. These shortcuts are great once you memorize them, especially if you switch views often during your workday. So if you're planning meetings, checking deadlines, or organizing your tasks, you don't have to keep clicking through menus every time. You can just use the shortcut that matches the view you need. Let's say you're in month view and want to quickly switch to week view. Instead of moving your mouse, you can simply press W on your keyboard and Google Calendar will update instantly. If you want to compare a few upcoming days, press X for the 4-day layout. If you're reviewing a busy schedule and want a more linear list, press A or S for schedule. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in how efficiently you navigate your calendar. The best part is that these view options are available anytime, so you can change them whenever your workflow changes. Use day view for detailed planning, week view for weekly organization, month view for big picture scheduling, or schedule view when you want a fast overview of everything coming up. So now you know 2 easy ways to switch Google Calendar views, using the top right view menu and using keyboard shortcuts for even faster access. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.